riding about an hour and 20 minutes outside of Ningbo to a small village that has factory after factory after factory. None of them really very big. Some of them just the size of a garage, single-size garage. A lot of machine shops, little CNC machines going, lathes, different things like this. I'm going to disable the comment section because a lot of you are going to say, oh, how can they work in such conditions, blah, blah, blah. So here it is. We're going to arrive at the factory very quickly, and I'll start from there. Cheers. Here up in the mountains is the factory. Fresh air. They even grow their own vegetables and such for the canteen here at the factory. Well, we're here at the factory in a tiny little village, kind of on the mountainside, that makes hammer-hit concrete anchors. So we're going to kind of just walk through the factory and see how these things are made, from the raw materials right up to the final product. Whether it's a good one or not, and if it is a good one, it'll get screwed down here. If it's a bad one, the door lifts up and then it goes into here. Packaging done by hand, fills it, and then they weigh it.